Hello viewers, welcome to Top 5 Check. With our review, we will assure that you're getting the best product available on the market. Please do check the product link in the description given below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this every day. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Best LED grow light. From professional gardener to mature, everyone can get huge benefits from a grow light. Like you can use the grow light during all the stages of plantation, seeding, veg, flower and fruits. So gardeners can choose it for the single or multiple purpose of the plantation. We have selected our favorites for a variety of reasons and created this detailed guide. So let's start by number 1. HIGROW Optical Lens Series LED Grow Light. Although HIGROW have been around for a few years, they only recently gained in popularity and are now among the best-selling brand in the industry. The latest product line from HIGROW features their new optical lens technology, full spectrum capability, and claims to have improved heat dissipation and energy efficiency. Number 2. Advanced Platinum Series LED Grow Light. Welcome to the next generation of Platinum LED grow lights. The most powerful LED grow lights available on the market today, featuring the highest PAR per watt of any LED grow light along with the most complete 12-band spectrum available. Our lights ensures maximum yield with minimum power usage and heat. Number 3. Viper Spectra Reflector Series 900 watt LED grow light. Viper Spectra LED grow lights are designed to provide high levels of PAR ideal for indoors horticulture plants from peppers to plants. They customized our light spectrum to optimize plant growth and increase yield while consuming less energy and reducing operating costs compared with traditional horticultural technologies. With 10 years of experiences and development, Viper Spectra is recognized as the most durable LED grow light on the market. Number 4. Advanced Platinum Series P300 LED Grow Light. The secret of the Platinum LED success is combining an optimal blend of 12 different brands of complete light spectrum all the way from the depth of UV to the upper IR, giving your plants exactly the finely tuned spectrum that they need. Platinum LED grow lights offer dual light spectrum to provide one of the best vegetation, growth and the flowering stage. Number 5. BestFA 2000 watt double chip LED grow light. One of the most important things to observe is how well it covers the light spectrum, and fortunately it delivers optimum level of both UV and IR light. Your plants of any kind will grow faster thanks to BestFA 2000 watt grow light. It can be used during the whole growing cycle from blooming to flowering because it delivers each kind of light in the right proportion. It is also surprisingly powerful.
To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.